Hey curl friends, I'm Bianca Renee and you're watching Bianca Renee Today. And today I'm gonna help you with your summer curly hair routine. Now to be honest, I live in California, so I don't really know what seasons are, but I asked you guys that live in places with seasons, how does your summer curly hair routine differ from your winter curly hair routine? And I got three main responses. One being that you like to use lightweight products, something that's not too heavy on your curls. Second, many of you said you like very strong hold because humidity is real. And the third one was moisture. So if you live in a very dry heat area, you might still need that extra moisture in the summertime. So luckily for you, I have three products that are going to fix every single one of those needs. And that's by using products by Trelux. Today's video is sponsored by Trelux. And not only are these products amazing, Trelux is also a Black-owned business. If you want to support Black-owned companies, this is your chance to do so. Starting this weekend, Trelux is offering 25% off all of their products. And a portion of the proceeds will go to help charitable organizations that are fighting against racial inequality. So I know many of you guys often feel guilty for buying more hair products, but I mean now, it's for a good cause. So if you aren't already compelled to support these products, let me show you why you need them in your life. Starting off with the Trelux Reflex Curl Styling Serum. It's a botanical, lightweight, anti-frizz serum. So lightweight, look at this. It's like water, dripping like water. And it still has a good amount of hold, helps get rid of frizz. Oh, it smells so good. What does that smell? It's like a flower garden or something. Of course, all these products are sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. And the main ingredients in this one are aloe leaf juice, coconut water, and grapeseed extract. Today, on my day 2 hair, I use the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. Let me show you how my hair looked before I fluffed it out. This gel is what I have in my hair right now, and as you could see, it looks very elongated, and that's because I haven't even fluffed it out yet. Before I fluffed it out, I wanted to show you how legit this cast is. Like, do you guys see like how shiny it is? It has a little crunch sound, huh? You want hold? This will give you hold. Now, normally I would scrunch this out and also use my diffuser to break the cast, but I can do that because I live here in California. For those of you that live in very humid areas, I wouldn't even scrunch it out. My recommendation for you is to go outside with it looking as stiff as possible. You want to leave that cast on there as a protection from the humidity. So let me show you how I apply the High Definition Gel. So the consistency of this gel is like a jelly. As you can see, it kind of thick but also breaks apart. And it's lightweight enough to where it's not going to weigh down your hair. It's long lasting and it keeps your curls very defined. This gel is infused with avocado, honey, and sage extract, and it also smells so good. But I'm just going to smooth this down my hair and scrunch it to get more definition. A little does go a long way, but if you are really trying to fight humidity, feel free to break your hair into sections and smooth on that gel. Another reason why I personally like this gel is because it does dry pretty quickly. I hate having to wait 24 hours for my hair to dry, but this one creates a cast pretty soon so I could just get the look that I want without having to wait all day. So for those of you that want strong hold, look at this. See how it like stands up? It's a good sign. Now for those of you that are intimidated by this type of stiffness, let me show you how you also have the option to scrunch it out. So first what I would do is just with my hands scrunch out the cast. This alone is going to create more volume and also make it not as hard. Ta-da! Look at that. Just from scrunching my hair with just my hands without using a diffuser or a pick, you see a huge difference in volume and even definition. I think it really brings out how beautifully defined your curls are if you don't want them to be as stiff. And I believe that if you're in a humid area, just by walking around in humid weather, it'll naturally go from looking like this to looking like this in maybe an hour or so, depending on how hot it is where you are. So today I'm gonna continue to do this, and I'm not going to diffuse. I know, I diffuse in every video, but during the summer, you might not need any extra heat on your hair. You might not wanna be involved with a blow dryer because it's just too hot. So this is how my hair would look if I just let it air dry. And you also can see I'm kind of keeping that elongation. Do you guys see this difference? It makes for a much softer, touchable, still defined curl. Look how shiny that is. Beautiful. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Much better. Now the Curl Supreme is a styler that I'd recommend if you wanted just to go straight to this look. You want to skip the cast, you don't like hold, you just need moisture, then I would go for this one because it's a 4-in-1 hydrating cream. This is definitely one of my top favorite cream stylers, and it's usually what many of you would want to use during your winter routines, but for those of you that said you still need that moisture during the summer, this would be the styler for you. The Curl Supreme is supposed to hydrate, strengthen, protect, and style. It has apricot oil, coconut oil, and marshmallow extract, and you really smell that marshmallow. I always say that this smells like a caramel apple. That is the perfect description. I don't care what anyone says. So depending on what your curls need, these are the 3 products that I think you need in your life. Comment below and let me know, what do you usually look for your summer routine? Lightweight products, stronghold products, or moisture? So if these results weren't enough to convince you to try these products, remember they're 25% off starting this weekend, and a portion of the proceeds all through July will go towards a charitable organization to help fight against racial inequality. And if it's on your heart to donate a little bit more on the Trelux website, Trelux is going to match whatever total number that is up to $5,000. So not only will purchasing these products help the health of your hair, you will also be supporting a Black business, and your money will be put towards a good cause to help end racism. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I post new videos every week. You also can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Ms. Bianca Renee. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching Bianca Renee Today.